I'm going to build a fully functional app with a working database and publish it live to the entire world in under 10 minutes using 100% AI, zero coding, zero design skills. I'm building a taxi booking app from scratch, and by the end of this video, anyone watching can open it on their phone and actually use it. This could literally be the next Uber. Here's the crazy part. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this with your own billion-dollar idea. Whether it's an app, a game, a platform, whatever, you can build it in minutes. So if you want to see how this works, hit the like button right now. And subscribe because what's about to happen is absolutely insane. All right, let's do this. All right, so this is YouWare, and it's basically magic. Look at this front page. You literally just type your idea here, and it converts it into full stack projects. Full stack. That means front end, back end, database, everything. But before we build, let me show you what's possible. Click over to the Explore page and look at this. The entire community is out here vibe coding. We've got apps, games, productivity tools, educational presentations, landing pages, dashboard designs, even portfolios. Everything you see here, built with just prompts. No code. Today, I'm taking it to the next level. I found this sick UI design on Pinterest for a taxi booking app, and I'm going to turn it into a real working application in front of your eyes. So I've already uploaded the image of the app design. This is the Taxo UI kit. Looks clean, right? Now watch this. I'm going to give it the simplest prompt ever. Build a full stack app based on this image. Now you can add more files if you want. Screenshots, documentation, whatever helps your project. And check this out. There are multiple AI models you can choose from. They're all compared with different features so you can pick the best one for your project. But I'm keeping it on auto because honestly, it just works. Click here and let's build. Look at this. It's warming up the workspace, analyzing the design. Now here's something important. If your image quality isn't perfect, the AI might ask you for clarification. Just guide it, give it the details, and it'll figure it out. Perfect. It recognized everything. It knows we're building a taxi booking app based on the Taxo UI kit I uploaded. This is already looking incredible. Now here's where it gets real. To build a proper database for our project, we need to enable YouBase. This is where all the data for the project gets managed. User accounts, bookings, everything. Enable YouBase. Done. Now the app has a brain. It can store information, handle user authentication, manage data. We're building a real application here, not just a pretty design. All right, now we wait. But honestly, it's just a few minutes. Grab a coffee, check your phone, and boom, your Taxo taxi booking app is ready. Look at this. Everything looks incredible. The design is clean. The UI is smooth. This is production ready. But does it actually work? Let's test it. I'm going to try signing in with a random email and a fake password, and it rejected me. Perfect. That means the authentication is working. It knows I'm not registered. So let me register with a new email and password, submitting, and we're in. All my data is now stored in the database of this application. That's insane. Let me sign in with these credentials. And yes, I'm logged in. Want to see something even cooler? If I go to the database management dashboard, I can see the new user that just registered, the email they used, all their information. I can even delete or modify entries if I need to. This is a real functioning database with a real admin panel. The app is working perfectly. Now I could improve it by adding Google Maps API to use actual maps, or I could add payment processing, ride tracking, driver ratings, literally anything I want just by telling the AI what to do. But here's where YouWare becomes absolutely next level. If you don't want to type every single prompt, you can activate this feature called Co-View Magic. See this black dot in the bottom right corner? Click it. Now you can share your screen and your voice. That's right. You can literally just show it and say it. Hit continue. Allow the tool to use the mic and viewing access. And now you can just talk. Hey, make this button bigger. Change this color to blue. Add a loading animation here. YouWare can see your screen and hear what you want to change. It's like having a developer and designer sitting right next to you, except they work at AI speed. But wait, what if you don't even know what to improve? YouWare has you covered. Click the boost button. Look at these suggestions. Visual design enhancement, modern UI upgrade, animation and transitions improvement. These are AI-generated recommendations based on current design trends. Just select what you want. I'm going with the modern UI upgrade, send it to YouWare, and wait. Processing, and wow, look at this. We've got a brand new design that looks absolutely premium. The Taxo app has been completely transformed. That bright yellow theme, now it's a sophisticated warm taupe and deep teal palette that's way easier on the eyes. This looks like $1 million app. Now here's the crazy part. Let's say you made some changes, but you didn't like them, which happens, right? YouWare has something called credit care. Watch this. I hit rewind and it tells me the app goes back to the last version and I get my 185 credits back. If I'm sure, I just hit rewind and boom, credits restored. Previous version loaded. It's literally a risk-free creative sandbox. That is insane. Once everything works smoothly and there are no issues with your app, hit publish. If you're using the free version, it'll be available to the entire community and everyone can use it. You can even select a custom domain for your app. Hit publish. Done. This app is officially live. Anyone in the world can use it right now. If you have $1 million app idea, idea. It's 2026, and it has never been easier to start. I went from a screenshot to a fully functional, database-backed application in minutes. I'm officially a founder. Stop dreaming, start vibe coding. Click the link in the description to sign up for your free YouWare account and build your $1 million idea today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.